Different types of yoga for a better balanced life. Yoga is an asset given to the world by India. We Indians feel extremely appreciative and proud of this blessing given by our ancestors to the entire world. With today's fast-flourishing world, it has become nearly impossible to sit down and care for our health, and lagging behind is not even an option these days. It seems like the mystical seers knew something 5,000 years ago about the deteriorating lifestyle of their successors in future, and thus, they decided to come into our lives as a savior to succor us by introducing yoga. However, there is another doubt which hits the mind of most of the people, and that is which type of yoga to start from. After all, there are a number of types of yogas with different benefits. The needs of a young adult to perform yoga may not be the same as the needs of an elderly to perform it. Today we are going to look at some of the different types of yoga and their benefits. Different types of yoga and their benefits. In this post, we will be discussing about 4 types of yoga which would ensure that you lead a healthy and prosperous life. Read on. 1. Kundalini Yoga. If you guys are specifically focusing on the spiritual side of yoga, then this asana is perfect for you. The main aim of this asana is to focus on the awakening of the energy inside you. It is influenced by the practices of Hinduism such as Tantrism and Shaktism. This type of yoga mainly focuses on the consciousness of an individual to make him/her rise above the barriers. It also helps in unleashing the trapped energy inside an individual. The asana under this form of yoga includes extensive breath work and meditation, which is accompanied by various chants and hymns. The benefits of yoga form is to unleash the energy inside you, making you aware of your body, and to increase the calmness inside you. 2. Restorative yoga. For all those lazy heads out there who may feel tired just after reading this article, you shouldn't worry much, because the restorative yoga asanas and their benefits are for you. This kind of yoga doesn't require much effort or the extensive level of energy or concentration as mentioned above. Restorative yoga is basically a type of therapeutic yoga which helps the clients to reach the stage of burnout and come back to their senses after all the stress and turmoil they've been going through. Most of the people refer to this yoga as a nap time, and the benefits of this yoga have been quite evident. It helps in making the client release all those negative emotions she was holding on to without much effort. 3. Hatha Yoga. Hatha denotes to the meaning, force, or vigor. If you are a beginner who is looking for a state of peace of mind, then this yoga is meant for you. Most of the people tend to relate calmness of mind with yoga. So this yoga is perfect for the people who want to perform meditation along with some simple austere forms of yoga. This is the understated and the classical form of yoga. The benefits of the asana under this yoga include increase in concentration, increase in stamina and energy, better flexibility in muscles, and an overall improvement in health. The main aim of this yoga is to make one's body powerful enough to live a healthy life. 4. Iyengar Yoga. If you guys thought working out in the gym was the only thing to increase your strength and yoga was more or less the feeble version of exercise, then you were mistaken. Even though it is a branch of Hatha Yoga, it has been carved out from it to be a different style because it focuses more on precision and stability. The poses under this yoga are held for a longer period of time to increase the flexibility and stability of an individual. The asana under this yoga involve employing various sort of props to reduce the risk of injury and making it feasible for both the young and the old. The benefits of the asana under this yoga is increase in strength, physical and emotional, increase in flexibility of the muscles. The main aim of this yoga is also to elevate the level of strength and reduce stress in an individual to make him/her more aware of themselves and their environment. Yoga has been given to people to heal themselves with any sort of physical or emotional problems. The only effort from people is to ensure that they inculcate and accept yoga as their habit. Yoga bestows a number of benefits, and it should not be correlated with any religion except the religion of peace and harmony. Performing yoga on a regular basis can change the lives of people drastically in the most effective and positive way.